Hello everyone and welcome to English for Fun with Teacher Alice. Do you like sweets? If you do, keep on watching, and today we're going to learn dessert vocabulary. Let's start. Cake, cake, cake. Cookies, cookies, cookies. Cupcake, cupcake, cupcake. Donut, donut, donut. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Lollipops, lollipops, lollipops. Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Blueberry pie, blueberry pie, blueberry pie. Tart, tart, tart. Fruit kebab, fruit kebab, fruit kebab. Candy cane, candy cane, candy cane. What is your favorite dessert? What do you prefer? Do you prefer cake or ice cream? I prefer ice cream. Do you prefer donut or cupcake? I prefer cupcake. Do you prefer lollipops or pancakes? I prefer lollipops. Do you prefer blueberry pie or fruit kebab? I prefer fruit kebab. Do you prefer candy cane or cookies? I prefer cookies. Excellent. Now let's play a game. I spy with my eye. I spy with my eye a donut. Can you see the donut? Here it is. Excellent. I spy with my eye a cupcake. Can you see a cupcake? Here it is. Excellent. I spy with my eye cookies. Can you find cookies? Here they are. I spy with my eye an ice cream. Can you see an ice cream? Here it is. Excellent. I spy with my eye a fruit kebab. Can you see it? Excellent. Good job. I spy with my eye candy canes. Can you see candy canes? Excellent. Here are candy canes. Good job. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.